Former Premier Amama Mbabazi finds himself in uncharted waters after the Inspector General of Police General Kale Kayihura said he will face arrest if he goes ahead with countrywide consultations without clearance from the NRM party. At the heart of this dispute is a legal interpretation of the Presidential Elections Act in consonance with the NRM party constitution. Whereas Mbabazi's attorneys opine that he is within the ambits of the law to conduct consultations, the NRM party says he needs permission from the secretariat. Yet in a recent interview with a UK-based newspaper, Mbabazi was defiant, arguing that he will not bow down to the whims of the state and he does not fear arrest. Chronicling his history of fighting authoritarian rule, Mbabazi said he had defied the tyrant Idi Amin and he cannot fear now.
If we commit an offense, obviously you'll be arrested, not by me, but by the police, wherever, because I can't be everywhere.
However, General Kayihura argues that every presidential aspirant must adhere to the law of the land. Under the Public Order Management Act, the police are mandated to regulate public meetings, a law civil libertarians have criticized as an affront of the inherent right of freedom to assemble.
Police must be involved, and that's why the Honorable Amama Mbabazi wrote to me, because he knows that police must regulate those meetings, because police is a law and order institution primarily.
Kayihura also gave caution to police officers in the likelihood there is a showdown with Mbabazi.
Any police officer who acts in the course of his duty will be defended by the Attorney General. And I want to use this opportunity to assure the police, just do your work, do it right. Don't use unnecessary force, but use force where it's necessary.
Kayihura said Mbabazi is not above the law.
Nobody is going to intimidate us. Whoever you are, act within the law and we shall respect you.
In a recent interview with the Voice of America, Mbabazi on the contrary said it's Kayihura who does not want to respect the dictates of the law.
The problem is not the law. The problem is the consistent breaching of that law by the police.
Mbabazi's countrywide consultations are supposed to begin next month. The Inspector General of Police General Kale Kayihura insists that he will follow the advice of the Attorney General to the dot of not allowing the former Premier Amama Mbabazi to go on with his plans of holding countrywide consultations before he is cleared by the NRM party. However, Mbabazi also insists that the police does not have the powers to stop him and is expected to be returning tomorrow into the country. And it remains to be seen what will play out tomorrow. Sudhir Ruhanga, NTV.